And then if you don't like it,
peace. Hey guys, what's up? Nate today for another video. We're back. Today we're going to be fixing my bike. It's having some issues with the brakes right now because it got oil on it. So we're going to use some paper towels and rubbing alcohol to clean them off and get it working. Dad, come here. So right now I'm just going to show you guys how my brakes don't really work at all. So for you, my camera in my left hand. Just keep going down the hill and I'm hitting my brake and my bike doesn't even stop. So that's what we are going to be fixing in today's video. So what we're going to do, set the bike down, and we're going to put a good amount of alcohol on the rag. As you can see, getting just a lot of it on there. Fold the towel over. Now we're going to bring it over here and just rub it down with alcohol. As you can see, there's like black oil coming off of my towel, or off the brake onto my towel because the alcohol is cleaning it. As you can see, it's super dirty now. And that should restore my stopping power. That's super dirty now. So, we're also just going to put a little bit right there. Okay. So now, put a little back on the alcohol. And going to test out my brakes now. And hoping oh my gosh, that's so much better already. I can actually stop now. So, definitely way better. Yeah, so much improvement. I can actually stop like way quicker now. Yeah, that's so much better. So, thank you for watching the video. Hope you guys enjoyed, and peace out.